What's going on, YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is Dave. I'm not a professional mechanic. No professional at all. I just enjoy what I'm doing, so I figured I'd share some of this with you guys. So as you can see from the title, I bought this 2003 YZ125 for $700, and the thing came in fucking pieces, like in boxes everywhere. So I went through this entire bike. I stripped it to the frame, I repainted it, I cleaned every piece, replaced every bolt, every washer. If not replaced it, I refurbished it, cleaned it up, and put it back on the bike. Bought a whole bunch of goodies, too much to name right now. I can go into a list later on. But so I got the whole bike back together, got it running, everything, after a bunch of issues. So I took it for its first ride, and it was going fine for the good first like 15-20 minutes. And then excuse me, after a little bit, I was coming back and something popped. It stopped running, and I jump started it. It ran like shit all the way back to the house, shut it off, open the coolant up, there's metal flakes in it. So we're back at it again, and we're gonna tear into it, and hopefully you can figure out what's going wrong. So hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to it. And that's it. Motor's out. It only took me, no, that's backwards, but 36 minutes and 57 seconds. So now that this is out, I'm gonna throw it up on the Motion Pro stand and tear into it and see what the fuck's going wrong. But for now, that's it for this one. Check back in for when I tear the motor apart. If you like this video, click the like, comment, share, anything that helps. Definitely let me know in the comments what you think, what I could have done better. But I appreciate anyone tuning in. Thanks again. Catch you on the next one.